I will now show you how to install a custom ROM using your Samsung Galaxy Y, and this time I will be installing the new custom ROM that is available for Galaxy Y that's called the Creed 3.5. This is the most stable ROM for Galaxy Y, and you can download this from the original developer site, which is from XDA, and or you can go to my website at iplaygalaxy.blogspot.com. So first thing you need to do is to download the required files and install it on the root directory of your SD card. That means that placing it on the SD card without placing it inside any folders. And once you've done that, you need to turn your phone off, as what you can see here. Then boot it up on the recovery mode by pressing the power key, the volume up key, and the home key together. I will show you. Just a minute. Alright, just press and hold it. Once the boot Galaxy Y logo boots up, you can release the keys. Alright, just wait for it. Alright, and then the first thing you need to do is to wipe data factory reset. You can scroll down using your volume up keys and select using your home key. Right. And then select yes. And once it's completed, just go to apply update from SD card and choose the Creed 3.5 zip. And once you selected it, just wait for it to finish installing. Alright, just give it a minute or two here. You can see here that it's installing updates, so just wait. Still loading up. Alright, it's installing system files right now. Still waiting for it to finish. You can see the progress bar now moving, and it says that install from SD card is complete. You just need to select reboot system now. Alright. So this is actually the steps to install a custom ROM, and usually the initial setup or the initial boot will take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so don't worry about this. And once it's finished booting up, then you're good to go. Thank you.